Manila. Armed Forces of the Philippines AFP Chief of Staff General Rey Leonardo Guerrero got a first-hand look at the capabilities of the newly acquired FA-50PH Fighting Eagle jet aircraft during a capability and demonstration flight over Clark Air Base, Pampanga on Thursday. This took place shortly after the military chief's visit to the Air Defense Alert Center, where he was welcomed by Philippine Air Force PAF Chief Lieutenant General Galileo Gerard Quintana and other high-ranking military officials. PAF spokesperson Major Aristides Galang said the AFP chief was escorted to Hangar Bay 1, where he was welcomed by Air Force fighter pilots. After this, Guerrero was flown aboard one of the FA-50PH jet aircraft by one of the pilots who saw action in the Meroe siege. The Mach 1.5 capable FA-50PHs were used in the 5-month battle to retake Meroe City from the clutches of ISIS-inspired terrorist groups. The PAF has around 12 units of jet aircraft, which was acquired at about PHP 18.9 billion from Korea Aerospace Industries. The delivery commenced on December 2015 and was completed on May last year. Galang said the AFP chief witnessed a stimulated bombing activity which highlighted the FA-50PH's unmanned aerial firepower, fighting capability and technology. Following the exercise, the AFP chief expressed his commitment to PAF's future big-ticket acquisitions. After the flight, the FA-50PH aircraft recovered at Clark International Airport and taxied to Park at Harriban Building for a ceremonial and beer toasting in honor of the CS. AFP. He was then awarded with a Mach 1 patch, Mach Buster Clark, and FA-50PH patch as a proof that he flew a speed of Mach 1.2 or around 482 km/h flight, the PAF spokesperson added.